my aim is to become a HR manager, and I feel TAPME definitely does help a lot from the first year itself. As a human resource manager, we need to interact with people, we need to understand people. Plus, according to those things also, we have studied subjects like anthropology, psychology, and we'll have OB next year, which I feel is definitely helping me into the process of becoming a HR manager. My name is Swagata Gaur and I'm 18 years old. I've been born and brought up in Bangalore itself, but originally I'm from Bhopal. Many of my friends actually told me about TAPME and how amazing its course is, and I generally love it over here. Most of the programs which I've seen before for BBA are usually theoretically based, and when I came to TAPME, I thought that's how it was gonna be. But then coming over here made me realize that it was quite the opposite. There are so many projects over here. There are so many things. Like, faculties help you do so much over here. It could be from the smallest things such as holding up fairs, organizing them, the amount of guest lectures we have over here. It builds up many qualities like leadership skills, listening skills, and there's like vast array of things. And the most important thing which I would say are the projects. They help you discover new things. So I feel that is like one quality which you need when you grow up. Like when you get into the corporate world, you need to be willing to learn new things, and TAPME definitely does teach that. It's an honors course, it's a 4-year course, and each year has 2 semesters, and till now I've only completed my first semester, and we had like almost about 9 to 10 subjects. Very vast, very different. There were subjects like anthropology, where I didn't expect it to come into a BBA course, but it was one of the best subjects which I'd ever read about, knowing about the human evolution and cultures and everything. It was like a mix of very different subjects. Usually it's just business, accounts, finance, and it's all the same things. But over here, I came to know that there are so many different subjects. Right now in my second semester, we have subjects like scientific thinking, design thinking, which are usually not in this course. So I feel the structure of this is very different from others, and it can definitely help one become a better manager because you know about so many different things. The course is designed that way that in the 4-year time lab, we have almost the knowledge of like 5-year course. We have many electives in the 3rd and 4th year where we can pick our own subjects and we can choose our own variations and everything. I feel that is a good thing because you don't have to spend 5 years in one go. Plus, you can have 4 years worth of learning experience, then have corporate experience, and with that you can have something else. Like personally, I'm planning to do an MBA while I'm working, like when I'm 3 to 4 years into corporate. One of the main events which had happened in TAPME is the GLC. It's the Global Leadership Conference, where we got people from Southampton and they gave many speeches, and there were guest lectures over here. There were like different company CEOs coming and speaking over here. We had a vast array of people, and I feel that's a good a time to network. Like this is that age where if we can network, we gain many connections, we gain so many different perspectives also, which I feel is kind of necessary as of right now. Then the corporate engagement committee is working so hard to even get us NGOs, getting us internships. Like I feel the second years have a sales internship right now. Like we saw them giving interviews day and night, preparing for them, and it is so exciting to see all of that. We have a competitions committee over here where they tell us that you can go debate outside, you can hold up competitions, you can go, and they push you forward. So I feel the more debates, the more interviews you go to, the more they prepare you for giving those interviews while you're getting into an internship. And honestly, this is the first college I've seen who helps us even prepare our LinkedIn. Usually they don't care that much about it, but then over here they hold up sessions where they give us so many different knowledge and insights about various kinds of things, one being LinkedIn, and that was really a helpful course. So I feel having academics, projects, fests, everything included, it gives you so many different qualities in life, which will definitely help me be a better manager. Usually have heard about hostels that they are not that great, the washrooms are horrible, but then the main part I love about the campus is my hostel. It's so vibrant and it's so full of life that it makes you want to stay there. It doesn't make you feel homesick or anything. You feel like you are at home. And apart from that, the academic blocks, they are so pretty and they're so spread across that it feels like you want to come to the acad block and study and you don't want to get bored over there. The college has assigned us a few mentors previously, because they knew we might have some problems understanding projects or any other problems also. So we have been assigned, like almost a group of 20 people have been assigned one faculty as their mentor. So we can go meet them anytime in their cabin, we can have talks with them. So I feel that is a great initiative taken, because you might not know who to approach when you're in a difficult situation, but they have pre-made our mentors. And in general also the faculty is very nice, very helpful. They always push us to do the right things and they would never say no to us. My aim is to become a HR manager, and I feel TAPME definitely does help a lot from the first year itself by including various fests, various academic related guest lectures and everything. Because as a human resource manager, we need to interact with people, we need to understand people. Plus, according to those things also, we have study subjects like anthropology, psychology, and we'll have OB next year, which I feel is definitely helping me into the process of becoming a HR manager. So I'm really excited what's on my way next, and I'm definitely looking forward for it.